Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to Docker Hub from VPS using CLI login step by step clearly. Open your terminal on your virtual private server. Ensure you have Docker installed on your VPS. You can verify this by typing Docker version. Next, make sure you have a Docker Hub account ready. If you don't have one yet, visit the Docker Hub website and register. Once you have your account details, return to your terminal. To log into Docker Hub, type the following command, docker login. Press enter to execute the command. You will be prompted to enter your Docker Hub username. Type your username and press enter. Next, you will be prompted to enter your password. Type your Docker Hub password and press enter. If you entered your credentials correctly, you will see a message confirming your successful login. In case of an error, verify your username and password, and try again. After logging in, you can start pulling images from Docker Hub. You can also push your own images to your Docker Hub repository. To log out from Docker Hub, simply type docker logout and press enter. This will ensure your credentials are removed from the local environment. You have successfully connected to Docker Hub from your VPS using the CLI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.